Creating clocks in Music One LE is kind of fun, and here's how you do it. From the opening screen, click the Formats menu and select Clocks. A list of all of your previously created clocks will appear. You can create as many as you need. To make a new one, open the File menu and select New, and name the clock. Next, you will see the clock window. It'll be empty at the moment. Click on the Music Notes icon in the bottom left corner to get the Add Format Clock Items window. There are 3 different kinds of format clock items: music, non-music, and special. The music categories appear in the scheduling rank order that you have set. Same with non-music categories. The special unit is used for one specific thing: spot breaks. Spot break is used when you will be importing a commercial log from your traffic and billing software into the Music One scheduler, and or for sending spot break markers to the digital automation system so it'll know where the spot breaks fall for its merging functions. Let's begin here with non-music items. At the top of the hour, I need a station ID, and then News. And then I click to Music. I can add items by double-clicking on the name or by clicking on the name and clicking the OK button. When it's time to place another break, I click back to the non-music categories and select the ones needed. And then back to Music, and I add some more song categories. Now, I don't necessarily have to add things in order. Look at this. I'll add 3 medium currents in a row, and then I close the window and drag the units to different positions on the clock. I left-click and hold on the name of a category, and then I pull it over and on top of the name of an item where I want it to be, like this. Now notice it doesn't replace the item that I drop it onto. Instead, it slips it in and moves that item down or back 1 slot in the hour. Now suppose I want to change an item. Instead of opening the hour with a medium current, I decide that I want to switch to Power Gold. I right-click on the name of the category and select Properties. And now I change the category in the slot to Power Gold. And I click OK. And the first unit out of the News is now Power Gold. You can do more with properties. You can change whatever it is in the slot to something else. Instead of a music category, you can change it to a non-music item or to a spot break. If the item is to be a spot break, then we use the nominal start time and the report nominal in automation log boxes. I'll tell you how to handle those things when you're ready to use them. You could give a special name to the unit if you wanted. That would show up on your printed log. You can add a note, which would also be on the printed log. And if you wanted to, you could put commands in here for your digital automation system. You can look at clocks in a linear log view by opening the Display menu. From this view, you can also move the units around by clicking on any item and then using the up and down arrows over here. You can also add units to the clock in the linear view. If you want to cut something from a clock, you right-click on the name and select Cut, or you can drag it to the recycle bin down in the lower left corner.